Hey, it's Gina with WTI. As a girl who's constantly on the go with my laptop, I need a bag that I can count on that is going to protect it, but that is also going to look super stylish. I'm so happy with how versatile and beautiful this bag is from Petite Simone. You can turn this into a backpack, and I love how the straps tuck away really nicely so that you don't see them hanging out when you don't want to use them. And the same goes for the handles that you use to carry it by hand. And the shoulder strap, you can take that off and tuck it in, or you can tuck in the handles as well. And everything looks so neat. I just love it. The padding on this is really thick, and it gives me peace of mind to know that my laptop is not going to be harmed because I jostle it about quite a bit. Now, I have a 15.6-inch HP laptop. It fits in perfectly. I can fit other items too, like when I went to a friend's house the other day, I was able to fit in a change of clothing, and I just love that this is more than just a laptop bag. And of course, I love how cute it is. It's a beautiful navy blue color with brown accents. It goes with a lot of different outfits, either casual or dressier, so you can use it professionally at the office, or if you're just a student or someone who needs to carry around their laptop, this can look really good with a casual outfit also. This Petite Simone bag is so well thought out with the design, the colors, everything about it I just love, and that's my point of view.